Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Okay. Which chapter we are discussing? 8th class first chapter. What is that? Rational number. What is that, ma? Rational numbers. What is the rational numbers? The numbers which can be written as, which can be expressed as p by q form. Which can be expressed as p by q form. The q should not equal to 0. That is the second condition. Okay. In yesterday's class, in previous class, what we have completed? We are completing the first bit. Okay, we are completing the first bit. Now we are discussing the second bit. Now we are trying to explain the second bit. What is that, ma? Express each of the following decimals in the p by q form. What we have to do in bit? In this bit, this is a decimal form. Just we have to convert into the p by q form. Okay. First bit also we have to convert into the p by q form. Here in the second bit we have 0.9 bar. What is meant by bar? Anyone of you know? 0.9 bar means the number under the bar, that numbers are repeated. Means here the 0.9 means 0.9999 is repeated, ma. Okay. What we have to do in this bit? We have to convert into the p by q form. In the first bit we have the limited number after decimal. Here in the first one, two numbers is there. We can remove the point. When we remove the point, we can easily write in the p by q form. How? Just we have to remove the point, means 57 divided by 100. How many numbers after decimal? That numbers of 0 we are divided. What about the second bit? We don't know the how many numbers after decimal. We cannot find the how many numbers after decimal. In the first bit, there is a limited numbers. Here also 3 numbers is there. Here also 6 numbers. Here also 3 numbers after decimal. But here look at can you see that clearly? In the first bit we have the limited number. We have the finite number after decimal. Okay, we have the finite number after decimal. In the second bit, bar is there. Bar is repeat. Bar is nothing but, what does I mean by bar? Bar is nothing but, the bar is that the numbers under the bar, that numbers are repeated. I don't know how many times repeated. I don't know how many times will be repeated. How many numbers will be after decimal. We cannot find the how many number is decimal. If we know the how many numbers after decimal, we easily remove the point. After removing the point, how many numbers after decimal, we divide that numbers of 0. How can we find the second bit? How can I find the second bit? It is a big question or not, ma? It is a big question because we don't know how many numbers. It is a decimal. It is an infinite numbers after decimal because because the bar meaning itself, it is repeated, ma. Okay, it can be written as p by q form. At last it can be written of p by q form, but we have to do the long process. After doing that, we get the answer. Let's move on that process. Let's move on to solve the first one question. What is that? 0.9 bar. Okay, 0.9 bar. This number we have to convert into the p by q form. Okay, because we are doing the long process. Because why we are doing the process? Because we don't know how many numbers. We don't know how many numbers after decimal. It is an infinite numbers. Okay, ma. Just move on the answer. Okay, ma. This is your answer. This process we have to play. We have to play this process, this long process, to convert the 0.9 bar decimal. This decimal we have to convert into the p by q form. Now the express is of each of the following in the p rational number. This decimal we have to convert into the p by q form. Because bar is there, just we have to do the long process. This is the process we have to play, okay, to convert this decimal number. Okay, one by one we are explaining. I am explaining. Try to explain this one. Just you have to listen it carefully. Okay, ma? Okay. First one question is 0.9 bar. Bar is there, nama. What is meant by bar? Bar is Whatever number under the bar, that number is repeated. Okay, first one is given that. Whatever given in the question, just you have to write in the given that. Whatever given in the question, just you have to write in the answer given that afterwards that number. Okay. Okay, ma, given that let. What we have to let? What we have to assume? Is we have to this number we have to assume as a x. X is equals to let. Let means we have to assume. We have to take it as this number as x. X is equals to given that let x is equals to 0.9 bar. 0.9 bar afterwards x is equals to what is meant by bar, ma? Whatever number is there, whatever number under the bar, that number will be repeated. Okay, I am taking the same statement here. X is equals to 0.999 up to so on. I am taking the so on means there is so many numbers, so many times, so many 9. Okay, so many 9s after decimal. This equation I am taking as equation 1. Okay, up to that clear. Just you have to take it as 0.9 bar. Afterwards again x is equals to 0.99 and so on. Okay, I am taking the equation as 1. This equation as a equation 1. Okay. Here, the periodicity of the decimal is 1. What is the periodicity? How many numbers is repeated? The periodicity means how many numbers is repeated. Here, which numbers is repeated? How many numbers under the bar? Only one number. Okay. Bar is on how many numbers? It is under only one number. Okay, man. This means periodicity means how many numbers under the bar. Others, bar on how many numbers? It is only one number. Okay. The periodicity of the decimal is 1. Okay, so we multiply the equation 1 with 10 on both sides. Okay, because we have periodicity is 1, we multiply the equation 1 with 10. If the periodicity is 2, we have to multiply the equation 100. Okay, just zeros is increasing, just zeros is increasing. Can you understand my point? What we have up to that, we have to take the 0.999 equation, take it as equation 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 1 because the numbers under the bar is only 1. Okay. So we multiply the equation 1 with 10 on the both sides. What we have to multiply? We have to multiply the 10 because the periodicity is 1. Okay. Where is the equation 1? We have to multiply this equation 1 with 10. Okay. 10 into we have to multiply 10 on both sides. What we have to do? We have to multiply the 10 on both sides. Okay. Here LHS is there, Nama. What is that? Only x. 10 into x. 10 into x is equal to is as it is. We have to multiply the RHS on 10 on RHS also. We have to multiply the 10 on RHS also. Okay, ma. 10 into what is RHS? Whole RHS we have to take 0.99 and so on. Okay. Come to the next step. 10 into x, 10x is equal to is as it is. What is the 10 into 0.999? Okay. When we multiply any numbers of 0, the decimal point will be gone to right side. Decimal number is gone to right side. Can you follow my points? If we have to multiply the 10 with these repeated numbers. We have to multiply this 10 we have in repeated numbers. How can we represent? How can we multiply? If we multiply from here, we don't know how many numbers. Okay, we cannot multiply much. Just it is a simple condition is that just you have to understand that. Okay, ma. Here 100 is means 10. Okay, 10. When we multiply this 10, this repeated number, that decimal point will be gone one number after one number. If we multiply the 100, mean decimal point will be gone after 2 numbers. If we multiply the 1000, the decimal point will be past the 3 numbers. Okay, means 999.999. Okay, what we have to multiply? Only we have to multiply the 10. What is that? 10 into 0.99 and so on. Means that what is that? 10 is there na? The decimal point will be passed right side. The decimal point will be moved right side after one number. Can you understand, ma? When we multiply 10, the decimal number will be moved towards the right side, move towards the right side only after one number. After one number, if you multiply the 10, the decimal point move one number only, move after one number. When we multiply 100, the decimal will be 2 after 2 numbers. Okay, ma'am? Here I am multiplying the 10, or the decimal will be moved to 1 point, means 9.999. It is our answer. It is take it as a equation 1. Okay. What we have to do in the next step? We get the equation 1 and equation 2. Afterwards, what we have to do? Okay, after getting the equation 2, what we have to do? Subtract the equation 1 and 2. What we have to do? We have to subtract this equation to get the value as a p by q form. What we have to do? We have to convert into the p by q form now. That's why we have to convert in the p by q form. That's why we are subtracting the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, value subtracting. Which number is taken? I am taking as a 2 and 3. We want to subtract these two number. Which number is you? While subtracting, which number is taken first? Which number we have to take in first? We have to take the greater number. 3 minus 2 means 1. We are not taking the smaller number. 2 minus 3. Is it possible from 2 means 3 लिखा सकते हैं हम? It is possible from, we can subtract the 3 from 2. Okay. While subtracting, which number we are taking first? We are taking the greater number. Similarly, I am taking the 2 equation. Okay. We have 2 equation. Which one is greater, ma'am? 10x is greater, only x is greater, 10x is greater, nama, this one is greater. That's why we are taking the 10x first, afterwards we are taking the x. Okay, can you understand? Okay, fine. I am taking this question first. Okay, afterwards I am taking the down first. Next question. Okay, subtract this equation 1 and 2. After getting that, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. 9x minus x is 10x minus x is 9x. 10 minus 1 is 9, nama. Okay, is equal to is as it is. 0 minus 9 minus 0 is 9. Or decimal is as it is. 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 9 minus is 0. So, okay, up to that clear? Okay. 9x just after decimal or 0 after decimal we cannot consider. After zeros, after decimal, the zeros is there, nama. Zeros is there. We are not consider the zeros. Okay. No need to take the 0. Just we have to take only 9. What is that? 9x is equals to 9. Okay. Here 9 is multiply. When go to the next side. When we send this number to the other side. When we send to this number to LHS side, it is a multiply. If it goes to that side, it become divide. Okay, 9 is there. When we send to the next side, it become divided 9 by 9. Okay, you can left this equation up to that. If you want to end this answer up to that, your wish. It is a rational number. It is a p by q form. Okay, ma. 0.9 we have to convert into the p by q form. We are converting this the p by q form by doing this process. By doing this process, ma'am. By doing this process, we are completing we are converting the p by q form. What is that? 9 by 9. If you want to end this answer up to that, if you want to cut it, you can cut 10 9 ones are 9 ones are x is equals to 9. Up to that also clear. Up to that is right. Up to that also right. Okay, ma'am. Okay, today's class is completed. First one is I was completed. Just you have to try the second one. Okay, second one you have to try it. Otherwise, I will explain in the next class. Today's class is completed, ma. Just you have to complete your notes up to the first two question. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.